Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Living Language Dothraki, a conversational language course based on the hit original HBO series Game of Thrones. I am a huge fan of Game of Thrones. I am a fanatic and I love Game of Thrones so much. I will watch it over and over again as long as I can. And another great thing that I love about it is Dothraki, which is a constructed language, or conlang for short. I am obsessed with constructed languages, whether it's Furbish or Elvish or Dothraki in this case, and Dothraki is definitely up there in my favorites. So Dothraki was created for the TV show Game of Thrones based on the books, but it's mostly in the TV show that it was made. And it's a fictional language, but it is definitely more of a complete language. And by that I mean, you can have a full conversation in it, you can be fluent in it. And it's not just fragments of languages that are often created for TV shows or stories or things like that to make sense. This is an entire language and you can learn it. I love this language. Dothraki was inspired by Arabic and German, so it's kind of like a blend. When it was created, that's the sounds that David J Peterson, the author, wanted it to make. And David J Peterson created a lot of different languages for different shows. That's job. So he also created a language in Defiance, Starcross, Dominion, and a bunch of other ones. And a lot of the shows that you see today, it's his doing. The cool languages that people speak, whether it's sci-fi or fantasy or whatever. David J Peterson created this entire language for the series. And obviously in the series, a lot of the actors and actresses had to learn it, but now I'm learning it, so And it's meant to be the native language of the savage Dothraki people in the series. The course includes here, so it's in this nice cardboard box that's a little worn down by now, but that's because I've used it so much. But the course includes a 128-page language guide and then a CD. So this right here is the audio CD featuring over 200 phrases, grammar, explanations, cultural notes, a dialogue, and exercises for reinforcement. So I love that it comes with a book with phrases and how to pronounce things, as well as a CD-ROM. I think that is so cool, and it really allows you to really go into depth. It's really important to listen to a language at the same time as you learn it, so you know how you're pronouncing things and hearing it. I always find that to be very interesting. I'm very passionate about linguistics, so all of this is very exciting to me. There's also an app for Dothraki if you want to check that out as well. But I was very serious about learning this language, so I have been teaching myself, not completely fluent yet, but as I go, I actually have been teaching my boyfriend how to speak some too. So I'll just give you a little example. In the beginning, it talks about how to read it. So the ZH letters are going to be pronounced like measure. So if I want to pronounce some of these, for example, this one, which is sun, rij, right? Like zh. So I think that's really cool. And you have basic expressions, things like that. Yer ojila, that means you're wrong, right? So then you have things like hello, mafchumaraun, right? Let's see. Hashyer Dothraki. That means, how are you? But if you are literal about it, just like in regular languages, it means, do you ride well? Because Dothraki are all about their horses. So a lot of the terms will be about horses. So your well-being is about horses. So Fonashchik means goodbye, but it also means hunt well if you're translating it literally. So then it goes into a lot of other different ones here, like different pronouns and just demonstrative adjectives and all of the complicated language stuff. But it's really interesting, and then hearing it on the CD is so cool. So I definitely would check this out. This is some more memorabilia from Game of Thrones, if you're a fan here. You know, I say to my boyfriend, I say, Yershech Mashiraki Anni. That means, you're my sun and stars. And then he says, Yerjalan Atirari Anni, which means, you're the moon of my life, I think. Something like that. But anyway, you get it. It's fun. You learn how to say phrases and fun stuff. And then, when the show comes on, we can all follow along, which is going to be very exciting. I always find it so exciting when the Dothraki speak, because then I can understand what they're saying. It's also nice to like really learn how things are pronounced and go into depth about how things are read, and it's not just this book of common expressions. It really goes into depth about the language. So it's a great gift idea for someone who is a Game of Thrones fanatic or who likes this kind of stuff in general. It's pretty lightweight. I have brought it in my book bag a lot and traveled with it just because I like learning this wherever I go, and it's a great pastime when I'm bored as well. And I definitely give it up to David J Peterson to put all this together. So definitely check this out if you have not already. It is an amazing kit, so exciting, and I hope that you enjoy it. And Fonashchik, which means happy hunting or goodbye.